How to insert a tick mark on Excel. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a tick mark on Excel. To insert a tick mark on Excel, you'll need to follow the steps. First of all, open your Excel, and once you open your Excel, here choose any data you have. Here choose the grade where you want to insert or add tick mark. Once you do so, here type Shift P or the capital P. Once you enter this, select the grade. At the top you will find this font option. Here click on this little arrow facing downward, and from the list here scroll down and find Wingdings font. Here you will find 3 different Wingdings font. Click on this option Wingdings 2. Once you do so, you will see the uppercase P has changed to a tick mark. Now whenever we want to put the tick mark, simply type the uppercase or the capital P. You can do this by pressing Shift and the letter P. Once you do so, you will find the tick mark here. Now you can add as much as tick mark you want in the selected box. So in this way you can insert tick mark on Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.